for something to vary directly means when one goes up, if x goes up, then so does y. So the equation usually it looks something like y equals kx for some constant k. This k is a constant. So think about it. If let's say k is, this is a positive constant. If k is 2, then let's look at our xy chart. If x is 1, what's y? 2. If x is 2, what's y? 4. If x is 3, what's y? 6. So when one goes up, the other goes up. That varies directly. So your formula, this is your formula right here. Y equals k times x. So what you'll usually hear is something like this. You usually hear something like, write the general equation if y varies directly with the square of x. Well, that means y equals k for some constant times x squared. That's what you would do for that. Now you'll also sometimes see and inversely with z, let's say, some other variable. So what does it mean to vary inversely with something? Well, inverse variation, instead of y equals k times x, y equals k divided by, well, in this case it's z. So this is an inverse variation. And let's again look at your z y chart. Let's say z was 2, y equals 2 over z. If y is 2, let's say if x is 1, what's y? I'm choosing bad numbers because 2 and z look similar to each other. If x is 1, y is 2 over 1, which is 2. If z is 2, x is 2, y, is 2 over 2, which is 1. If z is 3, y is 2 over 3. What's happening? As z is getting bigger, what's happening? That's getting smaller. So that's an inverse variation. As one goes up, the other goes down. There's your formula. So if it says y varies directly with the square of x and inversely with z, then it would be that. That would be your equation. Because it varies direct. Now you don't have to worry about the fact that you don't need to put two k's in there because the constant doesn't matter. You've got two constants. You can combine them together and make them into one constant. But that would be your equation. So if it says, here's an example. It says, write a general equation if y varies directly with the square of x. So y varies directly with the square of x and inversely with the square of w. Directly with the square of x means x squared times k, and inversely with the square of w means that w squared is on the bottom. That's how you write that problem.